What do you think, Jay?
I think this is pretty fun. I think, ooh, I just got a glimpse of them. Looks like about the same size, to be honest. I think I drilled him. I shouldn't probably say that. Oh, he's looked pretty nice.
Same Berkeley grub?
Same, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, stay with him.
I think he's got some size to him.
Pat's trying to double up on us over there.
Wow.
Powerful.
Yeah, this guy has got some juice behind him.
It's a muskie.
Oh.
It's a big ski.
Oh, gosh. Pat?
It's a ski. A good one?
Yeah.
Yeah, another.
This guy's a monster.
All right, stay with him then. Let's get him landed.
I got the drag.
Come over here.
You want to take the camera, Eric? You want me to get him?
His nose is right. I got the drag real loose for you.
Slide back a little bit.
Another good one, you're saying?
Yeah, it's
25?
25, probably 20, 25.
What do you want me to do?
Over here. He just keeps sliding back on me. Calling for the master yet or no?
Here's the master. Been known to land muskies with a single swoop.
Got him, Eric? Or? My arm is a little wet now.
Roll that sleeve
Here he is,
up.
Pat.
In comes the master, muskie master, Patrick Donlin, and we're calling for a really good one. Oh man, that's a really good
Hook's
one.
on
We
the
don't
left
want to.
side. I got the drag real
All
light
right.
for you, Pat.
Oh, that might be bigger than the last one, Jay.
Yeah, he's a little bit too far forward.
He's putting a little weight on.
Oh man, nice fish.
Anybody get a tape measure?
Yeah, I have one. Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Get the camera. I got a tape in the Croxton. In the Croxton.
All right, get him down there. He wasn't out of the water more than a minute. Oh yeah, he's healthy.
Yeah, he's good to go.
There he goes.
What do you think, Jace?
I think the luck's with me so far this morning.
You know what, Jay? I don't think we're going to do any more open water muskie fishing together, bud.
No, I don't think so.
Because when we take you ice fishing, then you catch muskies.
Man, what can you say?